Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have another unboxing, that is a mouse, wireless mouse that is quite different from other mouses because they have a definite shape. Like you catch how normally you catch a mouse, your hand, you leave your hand like this, you don't leave your hand. So you get your pain here in your hand here. So for that only in USA they have introduced this. So let's go on and unbox this. So they have given one in a packet charging and a wireless chip, and here is the mouse. So for the safety they have kept in the bubble sheet. So just remove it off. See how you hold a mouse. So in the normal mouse you hold it like this, so you get a pain here. So that's why they have introduced like this mouse, which scroll button is the right, left, click like that. So let us check it out how it is. So this is a charging port. When you plug into the adapter and charge it over here, you have to just pin it over here to charge it. So then there's a chip. So let me plug it. Yeah, just 1 minute. So let's on it. So there's a red optical that can move. So it's quite good from other mouses. Like your hand won't pain. That is the best benefit in this mouse. So there are like so many positions, and there are the same like refresh, the same scroll button, and many other. But only one advantage is like you can charge this. No need of battery. No need of worry of the batteries needed. You have just to charge. Yeah, this was my second unboxing. So to know my first unboxing, just click over the right side and subscribe my channel in the click here.